Hey YouTube, it's Charity. I'm here today to try to give you a trial and error look at a gift for my cousin. He's having a baby and the baby shower is in a few hours. So here is my desk. Basically, I created this image using the strokes or whatever, like paintbrush strokes, in Photoshop. My cousin and myself, we are Cowboy fans. His wife is from Louisiana and is a Stinky Saints fan. But this precious baby will be a combination of both, so I wanted to make them something that she could have without all the details that you would need for like a stat blanket, which I wanted to do, but of course the kid has to be born and I don't want to show up with just diapers at the baby shower. This blanket here is from Walmart. I don't plan on using this side because I think this is HTV little sparklies, but this plain side. So I've already printed my mirrored image. This is again using ColourPop, which was the ink that I started sublimating with. Quick note on the value of it all. I've been pressing, doing all my samples and all of my trial and errors, and this I've only had to refill once, so you should be able to see that. I still have not had to refill my black, which is like it came in like maybe a double tank or something like that, so no issue there. But you see how much of everything I have left still. So I'm pretty happy with my value. I'm in a few groups where you see people having issues with getting started. And again, my ColourPop ink was just as simple as popping it in and moving the air plugs. I'm using koala paper. Initially, I thought my heat press was the issue because I'm in a group with ColourPop, and again, the colors pop. And I was using this multi-purpose paper, but then I discovered while using koala paper that it was most likely my heat press is not reading true to temp, basically. So it's off, which, okay, I'm working through it. Which for me, it's such a major adjustment. Of course, I don't know the actual temperature of my heat press, but I have to leave my items on the press for about 2 minutes to get a pretty true to color thing. So initially I was using this paper and was not getting good results, so I switched over to koala paper. To a different type of sublimation paper. Still had iffy results, and I kind of just started to play with my settings because, again, if I'm seeing people use the same ink that I'm using and they're getting better results, like, it has to be something on my end. So I am going to sublimate somewhere on here. Again, I would love to have this all over, like repeat, but I'm not sure how it'll work. I also purchased this parchment paper because I see people reuse this, which so far I've been using this paper that didn't work out as my butcher paper, so to speak. I do have butcher paper, but moving it and cutting it and all the extra stuff that you have to do with it, I'm just kind of not up for it. And looking at this roll, it's so wider than my paper, so this should be a nice cover up. So I may go ahead and try this. I haven't researched how you try it, but I'm assuming you just lay it on the bottom, lay it on the top. So this blanket is pretty big. It's not super thick, but also for the holidays, this could probably sell for at least 15 to 20 bucks. So we'll see how this goes. I'm about to go to my printer again. I'm using sublimation paper. My heat press probably reads 400 and something, but who knows what it really is, and I'll leave mine on for 2 minutes and I'll come back and show you guys the results. hopefully things go well. Oh, also, I rip the edges, because sometimes people say stuff about press lines. I really haven't had that issue yet, so I keep ripping over here and ripping over here. I hope they love it, but I'll come back and show you guys everything. So it's cowboy, silver glitter, little football field, gold glitter, saints. All right. Okay, guys. I think we nailed it. I'm so happy with the turnout. Let's see if we can. My phone is under 20%, so I can't use a flash, but the light from the back door. Sorry, y'all. I'm just loving it. I was nervous, and then when I popped it from under my thing, it was scrunched up like this. I was like, Lord, I've wasted time. But let's see if I can put my image up. Or did the computer just go off on me? Anywho, I'm super satisfied. This took, I guess, 2 minutes, basically. So outside of designing and putting it on your thing, let me try to make it bigger here so you can see. I think it came out wonderfully. I really couldn't have expected anything more. Which I saw these little, I don't know if you can see, but I saw these little lines, and that was just in my image, because I was like, dang, my printer tripped out. But let me go ahead and give you the rundown on my printer settings. Shout out to ColourPop. Y'all, if y'all decide to use ColourPop, use my coupon code. Save yourself some money. Yeah. They're really super awesome people. So if you're just starting out sublimating, they really help you. It is a husband, wife, or it's a couple, regardless of whatever constraints. I have no idea, so don't get me to lying. Yeah. I wish you could really see it better. Okay, so I kind of lightened up my camera, but it is basically the same, like, and you only see these specks because I use the glitter clip, whatever, so it's supposed to be glittery, which I still do get that effect, and it works for me. So for my printer settings, I go to File, Print, and because like I said, okay guys, this is a second look at my project. I did go ahead and add mommy's little saint, daddy's little star at the bottom, just to kind of bring everything full circle. I used koala paper to begin with for the main image, and then because I didn't want to use sublimation paper, I just used my Xerox multi-purpose paper. I guess these details might matter to you, but that's that. Just something I got from Office Depot. So I did notice a slight difference, and it could be one of two things. One, I didn't color match the black to this, because this looks a little bit more mocha chocolatey, which is fine. It doesn't ruin the design whatsoever. That was really it. Like, you can tell here and here they're different colors, and I'm not sure if it's just different colors being pulled, which I didn't color match this and this either. I just, gave a feel for a deep black. I thought I did the same with this. I have to verify, but that would be the only slight difference so far. So this is my project with some light. Everything pretty much came out true to color for me. And again, the specs are because it was to look like glitter. But I love it, guys. And I think if you were to try to sell some of these for the holidays, it would be a hit. Thanks for watching.